Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Huawei's most versatile device in the global market, Huawei P40 Lite and P40 Lite 5G don't come with Google Mobile Service. There is only Huawei Mobile Service along with App Gallery. Currently, the Huawei P40 Lite and P40 Lite 5G is running on EMUI version 10.1. Although both of the devices are capable of running EMUI 11, but the company did not provide them with a new major upgrade. On the other hand, their Chinese counterpart Huawei Nova 6 SE and Nova 7 SE are eligible to upgrade over HarmonyOS 2. Meanwhile, Huawei is sending the latest security update to both of the devices, which enhances the system security along with the stability. According to the changelog, the latest Huawei P40 Lite software update comes with EMUI 10.1 version 10.1.0.335 and package size of 179 MB. Aside from this, Huawei P40 Lite 5G getting a new EMUI version 10.1.1.250 with a software package size of 2 to 4 MB. Both of these software versions rolling out gradually and will expand to global users as soon as possible. Furthermore, the software versions and package size may also be different for different countries. To be mentioned, Huawei P40 Lite software update solely improves the system security by installing the security patch released in June 2021. It fixes different level of issues and exploits including 2 critical and 13 high level of CVEs. For your information, Huawei P40 Lite and P40 Lite 5G users can download and install this update manually through phone settings or can request software update through support on My Huawei app. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below or press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to visit HC Newsroom.